Hi, welcome to this video, which is a quick look at the control bar in the Objects panel. The core of the Objects panel is the Objects tree in the middle. The tree should update as modeling progresses, either because commands are being issued and processed, or because the model is cycling and therefore continuously changing. The update process of the tree has two modes, automatic and manual. With a model that is cycling, as we see here, the tree is being updated automatically. There are three key indicators that automatic updating is in effect. The pause button is available, the status message shows the time elapsed since the last update, and the contents of the tree are shown in black text. The status message is important. While cycling and updating normally, the last update message cues the user about the gap between the present moment and the time since the tree was last updated. Also, if tree updates are taking longer than 5 seconds to perform, the text of the message turns red and the message specifies how long updates are taking. Because updating generally takes less than a second, even on models with millions of objects, a red status message is likely to be a point of concern that users may want to address. In this example, updates are happening quickly and there are no red flags in the status message. When there are concerns that tree updating may slow down processing, particularly on very large models where every iota of processing speed is required, then manual mode may be preferred. Put the tree into manual update mode by pressing the pause button. Manual mode is identifiable in three ways. The status message indicates automatic updating is paused. The pause button is now a play button, which is the means by which the user can return to automatic updating. And last, the content of the model state branch is presented in gray text as a visual cue that the data that appears there is not necessarily concurrent with the model state, which is to say, it may need to be updated. To update model state information in manual mode, press the refresh button on the control bar. The manual update button will always update the tree on demand in either automatic or manual mode. As we conclude, there are a couple of further options users might consider. The first is that you can use the settings for the panel to achieve an in-between mode state. Check Pause Object Tree Update when cycling. This leaves updates from command processing in place, but removes updating while cycling. The second option is to simply hide the model state branch using the Show Select control from the toolbar to hide display of the model state. Tree updating is skipped for items not on display. This will speed things up, but keep in mind that unhiding the model state branch will trigger the return of updating on the branch. That will do it for this video. Thanks for joining. We'll see you in the next one.